Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OBD JScan Vehicle Diagnostics app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OBD JScan is a vehicle diagnostics app designed to help car owners, mechanics, and automotive enthusiasts monitor, troubleshoot, and maintain vehicles efficiently. The app connects to OBD-II systems to provide real-time data on engine performance, sensor readings, and diagnostic trouble codes. Users can track vehicle health, reset error codes, and generate detailed reports for repairs or maintenance. Its interface is user-friendly and the app supports multiple car models, making complex diagnostics accessible even for non-professionals. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate OBD JScan's accurate real-time data, clear error code explanations, and ability to log vehicle performance over time. The app simplifies complex diagnostics and helps users save time and money by identifying issues before they become serious problems. Its reporting features are useful for mechanics or enthusiasts who need detailed insights. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features may require compatible hardware or subscription access. Certain troubleshooting functions may be limited depending on the vehicle model, and beginners might need time to understand all the metrics and data available. In summary, the OBD JScan app may be worth using if you want a reliable, detailed tool for monitoring vehicle performance, diagnosing issues, and maintaining your car efficiently. However, if you need free diagnostics or your vehicle is not fully supported, it might not meet all your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.